Hello and welcome to the Fiber Market Restock Preview Show. This is a show where I go through all the secondhand yarn that's going up on the shop this week. The drop is tomorrow, Friday at 10 a.m. Pacific. I have a lot of yarn to go through, so let's just get started. Yes, this is a whole bag of Manos and Malabrigo, which is what we're starting with. Kicking off with some Malabrigo worsted in this beautiful pagoda colorway. These are 100% merino single ply, and I have 5 of these. Next up, Malabrigo Mecha. It's called Piedras. This is also 100% superwash. This is superwash merino single ply, and I have 4 of these. I have 2 Malabrigo Rastas, one in Ravelry Red, and then this colorway, Reflecting Pool. For those who don't know, cakes are discounted even further on the website, so you get a really good deal on some really great yarn if they're caked. I have 2 Rios cakes, and then 2 worsted cakes. This colorway is Bijou Blue, I love it. And then this worsted right here in this super fun colorway. It's from a special edition. The colorway is called M. Next to the Manos. Manos Milo, which is a linen merino blend. One of these. A few Cabritos. These guys are 80% mohair and 20% nylon. One each. Next, onto the Franca. This colorway is called Mumbai, and it is so soft, so beautiful. I only have 1 of these. Another Franca, and this colorway is called Mykonos. And then 2 Finos. So Fino is 70% wool and 30% silk. This colorway is called Dog Rose. I have 2 of these, and this colorway is Wardian Case. 2 of these. Moving forward, what I'm trying to do is build chapters and categorize each of the yarns. So the first batch was Manos and Malabrigo. This next group is going to be more of the big names, highly sought after yarn brands, like your Noros, Spincycle, stuff like that. So just a quick breakdown of what I'm thinking right now. Let's get started. A bag of Spincycle. So these are both Spincycle independents. This is actually a kit. I'm gonna sell this separately, but if someone buys them together, then you get all these things. So this is independence. It's 100% American wool. This colorway is called Slumbering Heart. And then this is Tangled Up in Blue. I have a few Noros in this batch. This one in particular is just incredible. This is Noro Blossom. This is wool, mohair, silk, and nylon, and it is just so fun, so soft, and so light. And then I have 2 carry-ons in this colorway. I really like the pop of mint green in this. Moving on to Kings & Co. Now this whole bag is of Turn, which is a silk and wool blend, but they're a little different. So these 2 are 50 grams each. And then these are 100 grams. So this was a collab with Stimpy Lab for the colorway. Special edition, super cool, love the colors, and they go perfectly together. Next up is Be Sweet, which is a specialty brand out of South Africa. There's some incredible stuff in here. I'm starting off with this magic ball. It is an insanely beautiful, like mermaid-like novelty hank of yarn. There's ribbon, there's an eyelash, and then there's a mohair boucle that here you can see it really nice right there. The colorway is called Nemo's World. It is so soft, so much fun. Then I have 2 Bambino Taffies. These are organic cotton and bamboo. And then this True Jewel. This is a mohair yarn that has some metallic strands throughout, and then the nubs are of recycled sari silk. And it is just an actual gem. Unfortunately, only 1 of these. Next, I have 2 Lorna's Laces. They're both shepherd worsted. This colorway is called Bittersweet, Wendy Knits, and this colorway is called Wendy Knits. Super soft, squishy. A cake of Freya Fine Hand Paint Sport. Now onto Shibui. 2 of these Shibui linens. Colorway is Suit, 100% linen. 8 hanks of the Shibui Rain, which Shibui Rain is 100% cotton. Colorway is Fjord. It's so beautiful. Probably the most incredible mohair I've ever felt in my entire life. It is so dense and heavy. This is Collinton, Australia. It is pure 100% mohair, unbrushed, in this beautiful gold and purple colorway. I have 3 of these. This is Illimani Llama, baby llama, 100% baby llama. As you can imagine, it's the softest yarn you've ever felt in your entire life, of course. I have 3 of these. Next bag. These are going to be smaller dyers, Lots of fun colors, lots of fun sock, hand paints. Starting with Junior Town Knits. This is called Knitting Erin. Guessing Merino. This colorway is called Black Multi. I have this colorway, Forest Moss. This colorway is not labeled, but it's like a yellow multi. It's so fun. Nighttime Forest and Girly Vampire. Next is a bag of Ba, and who doesn't love this? 2 hanks of Ba Shasta. This one is Pink Tourmaline, and this one is Black Pearl. 100% superwash on each of these. A Sonoma in Cat Pink. It has little speckles throughout. 100% superwash as well. And then 2 La Joyas. Colorway is Baya. Stunning blue. 100% superwash. 2 Republic of Wool DKs. These are each 100% superwash. This colorway is called Zinger. And this is called Bramble. 1 hank of this incredible Rain City Knits. This is Super Sock. Colorway is Hot Pink. It's a superwash nylon blend. This incredible Collinet Jitterbug. I absolutely love the colors. Colorway is called Fruit Coulis. This is a sock and it's 100% merino. This Indigo Dragonfly, this is an MCN and it is in the colorway TARDIS. I love this one, all the speckles. This is the Flying Kettle. It's also an MCN. This is Dragonfly Fibers. This is a hand spun tweed. It is so light, so fluffy. It's a silk merino blend. A little bit of tencel in there as well. The Lemonade Shop. This colorway is called Glitter Bomb. This is their Sparkle DK, superwash and nylon. This is a yarn company called Tempted Hand Painted Yarns. The base is called Dream Girl. The colorway is Sweetest of Sweets. And it is a Polwarth and silk blend, so luxury sock. This one is super interesting. So this came from the Potomac Fiber Arts Gallery. The back is handwritten. It is a painted 4-ply silk yarn, and it's heavy. It definitely is silk. 4 ounces, 120 yards. Created by Carol Bowden, and it's such a unique, beautiful hank of yarn. This is Rainy Creek Farm. It says locally produced rare Shetland sheep. This is 100% Romney. I have 3 of these little mini kits. All are by Nanette Wake Studio. Each has 5 fingering weight mini skeins. This one is called Seashells by the Seashore. I love all the colors in this one. This one right here is called Cabo, and this one right here is called Murrahut Falls. Lots of neon greens in this. There are 2 Lola Bean minis. So these are 50 grams each sock yarn. Colorway Fuzzy Navel and Fountain Grass. 2 Apple Fiber Studio worsted. The base is called Opal and the colorway is called Baker. These are 100% superwash. This is Up North Yarns. This is Zebra fingering weight. It is 100% extra fine merino. It is so incredibly soft. And the colorway is Zebra Blue. I just love the colors so much. And it comes with a little stitch marker. I have 5 hanks of this amazing rainbowy yarn. I am absolutely obsessed with this colorway right now. So this is Jojo Land Fantasia. This is 100% superwash wool, bulky. 5 of these. And lastly, these super soft tweedies. This is Knit 1 Crochet 2. This is called Elfin Tweed, Merino, Baby Llama, Bamboo, and Donegal. It is so soft. You just need this close to your face. Moving on to our mostly Scandinavian bag. I threw in a few other European yarns just to fill it out. This is Blasta. I have 2 of these. These were spun by Donegal. This is 60% fine Irish wool and 40% New Zealand wool. I have it in the burgundy twist and then in this lathe colorway. Next, I have a set that I decided to take apart and sell separately. These are all Mila Mia, naturally soft merino, and it is super soft. 100% virgin wool in all of these. I have a navy, a red, a cream, and then a blue-gray color. Next, a bag of Rama yarn in 2 colors, navy and cream. This is Fennel Part 2. See here, 100% Norwegian wool. 2 of the cream colorways, and then 9 of this deep navy. Okay, so really it was like 2 Scandinavian yarns, I think, and then the rest are just European. Loppy. 2 Let Loppies and Rose Heather. Lang Artemis, which is silk cotton, beautifully constructed, perfect warm weather yarn. I have 4 of these. Lana Grossa Silk Hair in this dark gray colorway. 3 of these. And then Lana Grossa Niza. You can see, I hope you can see a sparkle in there. So this is a really beautiful novelty yarn. It is cotton, polyester, and then the metallic thread, but mostly cotton. Stunning. 7 of these. I'm just gonna call this a European bag because I'm just all over the place, but this is La Bien Amie. This is a discontinued base. This is onyx. It is a mohair and nylon blend. It is so beautiful. The colorway is anemone. It is incredible. I have 3 of these. Next, we have more yarn store staples, like your Cascades, Berrocos, your Juniper Moons, things like that. Let's start out with Juniper Moon. This is yearling. This is 60% merino and 40% cotton. Another cotton, this is Blue Sky Alpaca, it's 100% cotton. Super soft like all of their stuff. A few Plymouths, this is Baby Alpaca Brush. This is 80% Baby Alpaca and 20% acrylic. This is Plymouth Select DK Merino. This is 100% Superwash Extra Fine Merino. I believe I only have 1 Cascade, which is crazy. This is 220, classic. A few haikus, this is Kobasi, Cotton, Bamboo, and Silk blends. 1 of each in this colorway, Buttercream and Rafi, and 2 Simply Worsteds. These are Merino Superwash Acrylic and Nylon blends in this gold color and brown. 2 Rowan Pure Wool Superwash DKs. These are 100% wool. 2 Rowan Kid Silk Haze Eclipse. You can see the metallic strand throughout. Beautiful. Moving on to the Berrocos. I have 3 of these Medinas. So beautiful, so light and cool feeling. Cotton, acrylic, and viscose. It is just absolutely lovely. 3 of these. Classic Berroco Ultra Wool, 100% superwash. I have 6 of these. This is a great warm weather yarn. This is Berroco Corsica. It is cotton with a little bit of cashmere in it. Super light, lovely, so luxurious. I have 10 of these. This I've actually knit with before and I love so much. This is Berroco Pirouette. It is a boucle yarn, Baby Alpaca Merino and nylon. I have 6 of these. And then I have 7 of these Rowan Yarn classic yarns. This is Cotton Jeans, 100% cotton, just your classic warm weather cotton yarn. Continuing on, I have this whole bag of Debbie Bliss. Debbie Bliss Angel. I have 5 of these Debbie Bliss Classic Angels in this eggplant color. And then 1 of these Party Angels, which just has a metallic strand through the nylon. This is a little sparkly. 2 Cashmerinos, 1 in lipstick pink, and then another in ecru. That's upside down. In ecru, wool, acrylic, and cashmere blends. 1 Debbie Bliss Eco Baby. This is organic cotton. 2 colors in Rialto 4-ply. Take a look at these here. These are 100% wool. I have 2 of the cream color and 7 of the black. And then last but not least, Debbie Bliss Paloma Tweed. It is a super bulky chainette, so soft, so beautiful. 50% alpaca, 30% wool, and the rest different acrylics and synthetics. There's 71 yards each and I have 12 of these. This beautiful burgundy colorway. 2 of these Harrisville Designs Shetland fingering. These are each 100% wool. Super lofty, beautiful. Colorways Water Lily and Periwinkle. And then this really interesting ball of Schockenmeyer. This is called Silenzio. It is acrylic wool blend and a little bit of alpaca. Okay, now we're nearing the end, getting to the novelties and the kits and unknowns and other things like that. I'm gonna start off really strong. This whole bag of Trendsetter Bohemia. I have 12 of these. Look at this yarn. This is a cotton acrylic blend, and then it has the metal and wood beads. I'm so curious what this looks like knit up or how it feels, but luckily it came with a pattern book, so I get a visual on what it looks like. I love how just like sporadic these are. Get some more looks, accessories. Incredible. They're around 65 yards each. There couldn't be a more perfect warm weather yarn. Next is Filatura. I decided to keep this in the novelty area, but this is part of their fancy line. This is Tempo. Just take a look at how beautiful this is. I've sold some Tempo before and I absolutely love it. I think next time I get some, I'm gonna keep some for myself because I'm just fascinated by this yarn. I'm sure it knits up so beautifully, and I love the color changes throughout. This is 51% cotton, 37% acrylic. I have 7 of these. This is another incredible warm weather yarn. This is Classic Elite Fortuna. It is 58% linen, 26% viscose, and the rest cotton. It's 2-ply. It has this beautiful twist to it, and this color is so gorgeous. I have 7 of these as well. Another Classic Elite. This is Princess. It's an interesting blend. It has 40% merino, 28% viscose, 10% cashmere, 15% nylon, and 7% angora. It's soft, but it's not like this feels weak soft. It feels like you can make a garment with this. 2 in this colorway. And I have 3 of these giant cakes. This is Twinkle Hand Knits Soft Chunky, 100% virgin wool. This is probably the most interesting yarn that I've ever acquired. So this is Katia Milano. There is nearly no information about this yarn online. So it is a knit tube, so you can see here. It's already knit in a tube. And I'm guessing you knit with it into it. I would really love to see a video of how this is worked, because it's unfinished at the ends. I don't know, if anyone has any more information on this, I would love to hear it. This is really, truly a fascinating skein unit of yarn. 1 of these. 2 Laine du Nord Vasto. This is 100% merino in these 2 colors. This bag of Sugar Bush Bold. These are all 100% wool. I have this gray color, this plum, black, white, navy. Some furs. This is Knitting Fever for Real. I have 1 black, and then this is Sirdar Alpine in Polar, and I have 2 of these. This is Blossoms from Wonderland yarn. This is superwash and nylon, and this beautiful gradient. Next, I have these 2 little baby kits from Minnow Knits. I've decided to sell them as the kit. It comes with 2 cakes of yarn. I'm guessing cotton or acrylic or both. Here's this hunter green. Comes with a pattern, so if you're interested in the pattern, great. If you don't want the pattern, toss it. This next one is Knoll Yarns Coast, 55% lamb's wool and 45% cotton. 7 of these. This is a Queensland cake. There's so much yarn in this. This is Queensland United. It is 200 grams, 1,531 yards in this gray to lavender gradient. 55% lamb's wool, 45% cotton. Next is a super fun hemp yarn. So this is Hemp for Knitting Hempton. 40% cotton, 30% hemp, and 30% modal. Super soft in this beautiful blue colorway. I have 5 of these. UU Woolly Worsted. These are all 100% wool. 2 in this color, 1 in the gray, 1 in this cucumbery citrus color, and 1 in this pink. And 2 UU Fluffy Fingering, also 100% wool. Honestly, not fluffy at all. 2 of these. I have this little cute cake kit. It's for a baby hat from Appalachian Baby Design. You can see an idea of the little hat. It comes with these little cotton cakes, so you can make the hat. Keeping this as a set, obviously. This is a giant cake of Knit Collage Sister Yarn. This is in the colorway Oatmeal Heather. Sister Yarn has this incredible thick and thin, super bulky, super interesting classic knit collage. 1 of these. I have this raffia yarn from Ipsy. This is 100% viscose. I love this color. And finally, moving on to the unknowns. So I have this group right here, 1 100-gram hank, and then all of these mini hanks that equal about 150 grams in similar colors. Very similar yarn, feels like an acrylic or acrylic blend. Going to sell these together as a group. And then this incredible hand-painted single-ply wool. It feels like Malabrigo, but I obviously don't know. It is just so lovely. I absolutely love the colors. Special. Okay, that's everything. An incredible amount of yarn heading to the shop tomorrow, 10 a.m. Pacific. Don't miss it. Hopefully this new way of organizing helps you to go through and find your style and see what you like, what you might be interested in. And we'll just keep doing this moving forward. See you next week.